Foreign conflicts tend to be more financially burdensome than wars fought on a country's own soil, often consuming a significant percentage of its GDP and causing long-lasting setbacks. For instance, the US's recent major war, the War on Terror that began in 2001, is projected to cost between $3.2 and $4 trillion, equivalent to 20% of the nation's entire economy. One area that absorbs a substantial portion of these expenses is the operation of highly advanced aircraft in the U.S. Air Force, which costs billions of dollars regularly. In this article, we focus on the top 5 most costly and influential U.S. military aircraft. Number 5 on the list is the A-10 Warthog, a specialized aircraft built for close air support. Operating since 1977, this aircraft has a loyal fan base, preventing its retirement by Congress. Armed with a 30mm GAU-8A Avenger rotary cannon and capable of carrying a diverse payload of rockets, bombs, flares, and more, the A-10 Warthog fleet consists of 716 units, each costing an estimated $10 million. Moving on to number 4, we have the F-16 Fighting Falcon, a versatile single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft developed by General Dynamics and now produced by Lockheed Martin. With a maximum speed of Mach 2.05, it can carry a maximum payload capacity of 17,000 pounds across its 11 hardpoints. Since its introduction in 1973, over 4,600 Farad 16s have been built, with the latest unit costing $64 million. At number 3, we find the Falcon Hornet, an all-weather twin-engine supersonic carrier-capable multi-role combat aircraft designed for both fighter and attack missions. With a top speed of Mach 1.8 and 9 hardpoints for various armaments, it can carry up to 13,700 pounds of rockets, missiles, and bombs. A total of 1,480 units of the Falcon Hornet have been built, each priced at $67.4 million. The second spot is occupied by the F-35 Lightning II, a family of single-seat, single-engine all-weather stealth multi-role combat aircraft. Produced by Lockheed Martin, this advanced aircraft comes in 3 main variants: conventional, carrier-based, and short takeoff and vertical landing versions. The F-35 boasts a sophisticated avionics suite and can carry up to 20,700 pounds of armaments across its 10 hardpoints. Over 860 Farads 35s have been built, with unit costs ranging from $77.9 to $135.8 million. Finally, the top position belongs to the F-22 Raptor, the stealthiest and most lethal fighter ever built. Introduced in 2005 and exclusively operated by the U.S. Air Force, this 5th-generation fighter can achieve a maximum speed of Mach 2.25 and fly at a service ceiling of 65,000 feet. Armed with a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan rotary cannon and various missiles and bombs, each of the 195 Farads 22 Raptors comes with a hefty price tag of $350 million. The cost of these aircraft, coupled with other strategic bombers and military assets, can easily reach trillions during a full-scale war. Nevertheless, the U.S., being one of the world's largest economies, can afford to maintain and deploy these state-of-the-art machines, contributing significantly to its military prowess.